The International Center for Neuroscience Research was established in 2014 with funding from Institute for Intelligent Research and some neuroscience organizations in Asia and Europe. Welcome to the IBRO-APRC Georgian Associated School of Neuroscience.
Good morning, welcome to IBRO-APRC Georgian Associated School of Neuroscience. This is a great opportunity for us and that we have organizing IBRO-APRC Georgian Associated School of Neuroscience. I would like to thank the Scientific and Organizing Committee, national and international speaker, Professor Dr. Nanuli Doreulee and Dr. Khatuna that supported me all times in Georgia. The organizing committee, Dr. Raha Pitana, Dr. Gulara Mohamed, Dr. Shafipur and Mr. Ali Freiduni. Special thanks to Science Team Institute, Mr. Ali Nurbakhsh and Ms. Madam Razai that helped me to organizing this event.
This meeting will provide the great opportunity for the MD students, Master's, PhD students, doctoral fellows and young faculty members to gain some basic to advanced knowledge in the area of neuroscience.
It is my great pleasure to welcome you to this 5-day IBRO-APRC Georgian Associate School of Neuroscience 2021. I wish to express my sincere appreciation to the collaborative effort from both local and international speakers for your commitment and dedication in this knowledge sharing session.
Our first speech is by Professor Dr. Surya Pratap Singh, Professor and Head, Department of...
I welcome all the participants and the professors. So, our lab is basically working in the area of neurodegenerative disorder.
Hi, we're ready to investigate on any of those components. We need a lot of time, I think, in order to do this sort of thing.
Sir, I have a question.
Sure.
So, I was myself
I'm just going to ask Professor Dr. Jean or Jean-Pierre Moto.
Amino acids are playing a critical role in our body and notably in brain chemistry. They are not only building blocks for protein synthesis, as you know, they can also serve to...
Mohammed, Assistant Professor, Clinical Pharmacology Department.
What we know about aging. So there is no definite definition of the aging. So there is no typical old person because age is just a number. So it depends on our understanding or perspective of aging. And as we know, populations are getting older and older due to good health, medical insurance, medical welfare.
E4 or SAD-derived models. Since ApoE forms an integral part of cell membrane, we would like to know whether ApoE4 alleles that predispose someone to greater risk of Alzheimer's disease may have compromised nuclear lamina that could be associated with reduced nuclear rest translocation. We then perform an ICC staining.
Is to validate candidate compounds to seek first-in-human approvals for new therapeutics to treat rare diseases. Here we do have access to Cheminformatic Drug Discovery Lab, which uses sophisticated software to design and then synthesize new drugs.
Basically, it is a sum of the time taken throughout the acquisition trial. So we noticed that the alpha diet that you
This blood-brain barrier is crucial for maintaining the brain health against the harmful and toxic agents that may present in the blood, but also it blocks the penetration of many
participation. Okay, now we take screenshot. Are you ready or okay?
And adaptive behaviors and have repeatedly been evidenced in various neuropsychiatric pathologies such as dementia, psychotic, mood, and personality disorders.
Recently, the research showed that orexin type 2 receptor is also functional in this rewarding system. And we know that both CA1 area and medial.
This group is very active and engages with many other agencies. So here is a list of our partners, okay, and you can see many familiar names and icons. And here is a list of collaborating icons. And cells that are closest to the morphogen have a different identity, pinky, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, okay? And the experiment again, where if you took your second organizer and you transplanted it here, then you actually developed a limb like so, where nearest the organizer would be the pinky in each case.
Right information after it developed neural network. Without neural network, no information. So we look to that process during our experiment.
To IP3 receptors on the endoplasmic reticulum and cause a calcium release from intracellular stores. But astrocytes also have calcium that is released from the mitochondria that can cause calcium transients. We've been using, yes. So it's not gene transfer necessarily. So that viruses transduce the brain cells, and then they're expressed based on the astrocyte-specific promoter or the neuronal-specific promoter.
When you get this data, the raw data looks like this. It's like coming from like a group of neuron, and when you low pass filter and you get the LFP, local field potential recording, and further high pass filtering is applied and you get the
of the artificial intelligence, what it is about, and obviously its potential uses, benefits, and dangers. So let's begin by defining what an artificial intelligence is.
Talk about the clinical EEG and EEG database, EEG Hub G, and as I said, I'm working in the Doreulee, very famous center, Doreulee Center of Experimental Math.
Hello everyone, I am Anush Pandey, a scholar from CSIR, India, Lucknow. I hope you are doing well. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for giving me this wonderful opportunity to express my word for the IBRO-APRC program. It has been a great experience for me to go through the various...
Congratulations to the organizers for arranging such a nice conference for us, who managed the conference smoothly, giving enough time to every presenter, and by young researchers. Discussions by senior scientists after every presentation was very fruitful for the young candidate to engage critically in the field of research.
I took part in virtual summit of Georgian Center for Neuroscience Research in 2021. I found this summit very useful and helpful. Many medical basic sciences researchers. I hope for the day that each medical basic science research could follow by a clinical trial.
Hello everyone, this is Shukarna Sharkar. I am from CSIR, Indian Institute of Chemical Biology, India. I am one of the participants, presenters and awardee at the school. I would first of all like to thank the organizers of IBRO-APRC Georgian Associate School of Neurosciences 2021. It was a great learning experience for me, and I got to learn about the recent advancements in the field of neurotechnology, especially electrophysiology. Looking forward to attending Neurotech 2021. See you all there. Bye.
A very systematic and effective School of Neuroscience was held in 3 days. The interdisciplinary topics that came up contained new ideas for future research. Hoping face-to-face meeting.
I would like to thank the organizers of this conference for their effort. Had a good scientific level and was a good start for new academic year. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone. So the recently concluded IBRO-APRC Georgian School of Neuroscience was really fascinating, informative and knowledgeable, which was held from 21st to 24th August virtually. Even though we are not physically present in Georgia, still it gives the feeling like we interacted in real with the participants, with the neuroscientists and other organizers.